You feel the weight of your past not as burden, but as fuel. Every wound you've earned. Every silent tear. Isn't the thing that broke you, it's the spark that's lighting your way forward. Pause. In the quietest hours, when the world doesn't see you. That's when your real strength is forged. Not in sunshine, but in the ashes of yesterday's failure. The world teaches us to hide our scars. To pretend success was easy. But your scars are not a secret. They are your silent war cry. Stamped on your soul, proving you survived. Look at the phoenix. She doesn't rise because she's unharmed. She rises because she was burned to dust. And she chose to ascend anyway. Your journey isn't about avoiding storms. It's about learning to dance in the thunder. Because bravery isn't born in comfort. It's forged in chaos. And here's your truth, your pain is not a flaw. Your setback is not a spiritual crime. It's your secret advantage. But only if you turn towards it. Only if you meet it, and say, thank you for being my unspoken teacher. The greatest alchemy you can learn is converting why me into watch me. Because here's what they don't teach you, you don't overcome pain by ignoring it. You overcome it by forging it into purpose. Every painful moment. Every sleepless night. Every time your hands shook but you showed up. That's not brokenness. That's becoming. I know this one might sting. We all secretly wish that someone, a mentor, a friend, a partner, maybe even luck itself, will swoop in and fix our problems. But here's the reality, you are the only one responsible for your life. Yes, you may get help along the way, but the ultimate change, that's your job. Think about a person drowning. You can throw them a rope, but if they don't grab it, nothing happens. Life works the same way. Opportunities might float past you every single day, but if you don't act, they drift away. The harsh truth: no one's waking you up early. No one's forcing you to eat healthy. No one's going to drag you away from Netflix and make you chase your dream. The sooner you accept this, the sooner you stop waiting, and start building. Because when you realize you're the hero of your own story, you stop playing the victim. We all love comfort. Warm bed. Favorite food. Endless scrolling on our phone. But here's the secret no one talks about: comfort slowly kills ambition. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you're building a habit of staying small. That's why the most successful people in the world constantly put themselves in uncomfortable situations. They speak when they're afraid. They try new things even when they might fail. They wake up earlier than they want to. Your brain loves safety, but your soul craves challenge. So here's your challenge: start chasing discomfort daily. Speak up in a meeting. Go to the gym when you don't feel like it. Launch that side hustle even if it's not perfect. Growth is on the other side of discomfort, and comfort is just a polite word for slowly dying. Be honest, how many times have you said, I don't have time. I don't have money. I don't have the right connections. Here's the raw truth: those aren't reasons, they're excuses. If you're scrolling social media for 2 hours a day, you have time. If you're buying coffee every morning, you have money you could save. And if you're reading this right now, you have internet access, which means you have unlimited resources at your fingertips. Every excuse is just fear in disguise. Fear of failing. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of actually succeeding and having to keep going. The cure: brutal self-honesty. Next time you catch yourself making an excuse, replace it with, it's uncomfortable, but it forces you to take ownership, and ownership is the start of transformation. When you start chasing your goals, you'll expect cheers. But often, you'll get silence. Some friends will ghost you. Some family members won't understand. Some people might even laugh. Here's the secret, that's normal. People aren't against you, they're just wrapped up in their own fears, insecurities, and comfort zones. If you're doing something extraordinary, expect people to doubt you. Why? Because if you succeed, it reminds them of what they're not doing. The harsh truth: you don't need their approval. The right people will support you, and you'll meet most of them along the journey, not at the start. Your job is not to convince everyone. Your job is to keep moving forward until your results speak so loudly that no one can ignore them. Final reality check. Life isn't fair. Success isn't guaranteed. And yes, you'll fail probably more than once. But here's the part most people miss: every single person you